students, now we've seen what is clean room software engineering. We have a look at the process and then we study what do we mean by box in clean room software engineering. अच्छा जनाब, हमने ये देख लिया था कि incremental planning, where project plan is built around incremental strategy. We are developing a system in an incremental manner. The requirements gathering, it is kind of traditional, where we are using the mechanisms that we've already studied for requirement solicitation, requirements engineering, and we will make use of those and we'll come up with a requirement elicitation or requirements document, which is what you call the initial specification. From there, you will develop a box structure specification. Box structures, they are what? They isolate and separate definition of behavior, data, and procedures at each level of refinement. What do we mean by each level of refinement? This means that there will be a kind of interleaving or one after the other, या more than one box structures. ये हम अभी पढ़ेंगे. Formal design specifications that are black boxes are iteratively refined. This means that we will have at the top level a black box where we have inputs or the stimulus and the output, which is the result, and that black box we can look into it, and then there are other I would say boxes within that black box. What are they? They are coming. One of them is architectural design. अच्छा जनाब, iterative refinement से निकलेगा क्या? Architectural design, which is state box, and component level design, which is clear box. Okay. Correctness verification. At each level we are worried about the correctness and we are deploying verification methods. क्या है जनाब? Correctness questions are asked and answered. Formal mathematical verification is used as required. Code generation, inspection, verification. इसमें क्या करेंगे जनाब? Box structures are translated into program languages. Code generation. अब मेरे पास this means कि essentially box, high level box will be specification component. A box that is high level as well as low level will be my design concept, and from design I will generate code. This means I will translate that box structure into kind of programming constructs. Inspections are used to ensure, आप गौर करें, हर level पे we have walkthroughs, we have inspections, we have peer reviews. क्या करेंगे? Are used to ensure conformance of code to and boxes. Why? Question arises why. देखिए हमारा इंटरेस्ट क्या है? हम डिफेक्ट रिडक्शन जा रहे हैं. We want to focus on reduction rather than on removal. So an activity which we were going to perform later on, we are going to do it earlier. अच्छा जी, this is conformance of code. अच्छा, so inspection will be used to ensure conformance of code and boxes. Syntactic correctness of the code. Now this will be ensured, and verification of the code, correction verification of the code, ये भी हो जाएगी. This means कि आप at every step you are deploying verification methods to find out a bug and fix it there and there at each step, rather than going at the later steps and coming back. Okay, next is statistical. इसको मैंने highlight किया. Statistical test planning. This is what we are going to do, or this is why we are studying this. A suite of test cases is created, and this is created to match probability distribution of the projected product usage pattern. अब आप गौर कीजिए, अब आप न सिर्फ टेस्ट केस जनरेट करेंगे, एसोसिएटेड टेस्ट डेटा या ऐसी वो एसोसिएटेड स्टैटिस्टिकल टेस्ट प्लानिंग भी साथ ही करेंगे, जो आपको एक रिलायबिलिटी मेजर तक लेके जाए, या वो उसकी आपके पहले में आप देखिए, जिस तरह आप देखते हैं यूज़ केसेस, एक नया नहीं कहना चाहिए, एक कॉन्सेप्ट आया मिस यूज़ केस, कि जनाब आप जब सिक्योरिटी को एंड में जाके एज एन ऐड ऑन ऐड करते हैं तो वो उतना साउंड नहीं रहता. आप पहले से ही देखें कि यूज़ तो सिस्टम का ये है, मिस यूज़ ये भी हो सकता है. शुरू से ही आप उसको पूरा टाइम दें या उसको डिज़ाइन का पार्ट बनाएं। इसी तरीके से अब हम क्या कर रहे हैं, टेस्टिंग एक्टिविटी, टेस्टिंग तो होगी, स्टेटिस्टिकल टेस्ट प्लानिंग भी होगी कि इसमें कौन कौन सा डेटा हम लेंगे और उसकी क्या डिस्पोजिशन होगी, उसको कैसे कैसे हमने हैंडल करना है, और उस सारे के सारे डेटा से हमारा मुराद क्या है, हमारा अचीवमेंट, एंड एम एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है। तो ये सारा का सारा हम देखेंगे। स्टेटिस्टिकल यूज टेस्टिंग में जनाब certification. Once we have done the verification, we have done inspection, and usage testing is complete, and all defects are removed, that means that we have hit that reliability measure that we had identified earlier, and all defects are removed. The increment is now certified as ready for integration. Now this is an increment. हमारा आइडिया ये था कि हम incremental manner में जाएंगे. So each increment will be certified that this is now ready for the integration. Okay. Certification steps क्या थे जनाब? हमारा ये थे जनाब कि usage scenarios must be created. अब ये certification steps हैं. Usage scenario, अब देखिए आप क्या कर रहे हैं जनाब, आप इस एक इंक्रीमेंट को आप क्लोज कर रहे हैं. Usage profile is specified. Test cases generated from usage profile are there. Test cases are executed and failure data is recorded. जो कि आपकी कभी भी आपने पिछली जो जितने भी आपने पढ़ा उसमें आपने यूजेज डेटा या टेस्ट डेटा, फेलियर डेटा को रिकॉर्ड करने की आपका कवरेज, एंड दैट्स इट, ऑल बग्स फिक्स, दैट्स इट, नहीं. फेलियर डेटा इज रिकॉर्डेड एंड एनालाइज्ड, reliability is computed and recorded. So अब आप गौर करें, why reliability? Now we have studied reliability and then we have gone to clean room where we are showing you the importance of reliability and as an integral part of the clean room software engineering.